In this tutorial, we will show how to create pattern in ZX series panel. Here you can see we have 4 detectors and 2 output modules connected in loop 1. We have assigned address 1, 2, 3 and 4 to these detectors and addresses 103 and 104 to our output devices. For example, when any one detector from address 1 or 2 gets an alarm, then output 103 should only get activated, and when any one detector from address 3 or 4 gets an alarm, then output 104 should only be activated. To execute this condition, we should first assign zone to our input devices and pattern number to our output devices. First, to enable level 2 operation, press the tick button and the display will prompt for entry of the level 2 password. Enter the level 2 password using the numeric keys. The display then shows the main menu of user options. To access the commissioning functions in the panel, press 1 to select the commission option. The display will prompt for entry of the level 3 password. Enter the level 3 password using the numeric keys. The display will then show the commissioning menu. Select Configure by pressing key 1. Now select loop in which these input devices are connected. We have selected loop 1 as our devices are installed in loop 1. Then select the devices option by pressing key 2. Display will prompt like Begin Inspect at address number 1. Press tick button. The display then show the detail about the device. Now press MZ button and select second option Zone by pressing key 2. Display will show zone number assigned to detector. Press MZ button to change the zone number. In our example, we have detector 1 and 2 in zone 1 and detector 3 and 4 in zone 2. After changing the zone, press enter button. After assigning the zone to all the input devices, now we will show how to create the patterns. For creating the pattern, go inside commissioning mode. Select Configure option by pressing key 1 and then select Sounder or Relay as per your output type by pressing keys 7 and 8 respectively. We have selected Sounder by pressing key 7 as our output are sounders. Display will show Sounder A pattern 1 by default. Press tick button till we get the loop 1 sounder 103 address. By default, this sounder is assigned a pattern 001. We will make pattern, let's say pattern 10, in which only zone 1 is on. Type 10 and press enter button. Now as you can see, zone range zone 1 to zone 200 and mode is on, which means that output will activate for all the zones. Now we must change the end zone from 200 to 001 and mode should be on. Then press enter button. Display will show start zone 2 and end zone 200, and we should change the mode off by pressing cross mark button and then press enter button to save the changes. As you see, the zone 1 to 1 mode is on and for zone to 200 mode is off. In the same way, we have created another pattern, let's say pattern number 11, in which only zone 2 is on and all other zones are off, as you can see here. Assign this pattern 11 to sounder 104. We have successfully created pattern programming as per our required condition. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Visit www.honeywelldiscovertraining.com.